Welcome to the fascinating world of 3D modeling where imagination meets technology. Picture this: an artist's sketch, a child's toy, a designer's blueprint, all brought to life with the power of 3 dimensions. In this dynamic field, creativity knows no bounds. From designing intricate architectural masterpieces to creating lifelike characters for the next blockbuster game, 3D modeling is a tool that opens up a universe of possibilities. But what about the technical side? Fear not. With today's cutting-edge software and a little dedication, anyone can master the art of 3D modeling. Whether you're looking to bring your own creations to life or simply want to understand the magic behind your favorite films and video games, this journey is for you. So fasten your seatbelts, folks. Dive into the mesmerizing world of 3D modeling and witness how it's shaping the future of design, entertainment, and beyond. Remember, in this realm, if you can dream it, you can build it. Get ready to unleash your creativity in ways you've never imagined before.